Astronomers and astrophysicists at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory conduct research on the solar system, planets, and other aspects of the universe using state-of-the-art tools and unique resources, including the Data Science Institute, the laboratory's hub for big machines, big data, big ideas, which operates at the confluence of high-performance computing, rich scientific data sets, and innovative technologies. Data scientists will play a key role in making sense of the data collected from the Vera C. Rubin Observatory Legacy Survey of Space and Time, or LSST, a 10-year endeavor in Cerro Pachón, Chile, scheduled to begin operations in 2024. The LSST will observe billions of objects in the night sky and generate an unprecedented amount of data, around 20 terabytes every night, the equivalent of 5 million photographs, or 10,000 hours of video, or 26,000 filing cabinets filled with paper.
MyGPs is a tool that our team has developed.
LLNL scientist Dr. Amanda Meiskens and her team have developed a novel algorithm called MyGPs that will automate analysis of this data.
It's sort of a general use machine learning tool that can estimate these things we call Gaussian process models, particularly non-stationary ones for very large data. And this is going to help astronomers and astrophysicists analyze things like this LSST space survey. A Gaussian process is a type of model that puts structure into relationships among variables. So when data is very similar in some important variables, you assume the response is similar also, or when things are really far apart, they're less related. Unlike typical machine learning methods, Gaussian process models are mathematically defined, which basically means that when you get a prediction from the model, you also get how sure the model was about that prediction. This is something every other machine learning method will not necessarily give you. MyGPs is a very unique estimation method because we've sort of learned from machine learning, and we take, instead of doing something very traditional, we're using their sort of methods. In particular, we use leave one out cross-validation, where we leave each point out and we build a model on the remaining data and try and evaluate how well we fit the model versus that true data point we've left out. It's more accurate and, more importantly, way more computationally efficient than any other benchmark, including traditional machine learning. We're going to be able to take advantage of the great facilities here in Livermore high performance computing in order to scale to these very, very large data sizes. MyGPs is a very simple solution that takes a large step in the right direction in beginning to model reliably these massive amounts of data very efficiently.
MyGPs is available on GitHub for others to utilize. Learn more at data-science.llnl.gov.